I'm from Gujarat.
How you feel? Is your first visit in Manipur?
Yes, and I'm overwhelmed. I have never received this much love. Like, thank you, Manipur, for receiving us like this. Thank you so much.
Nikit and I am representing Himachal Pradesh. So we've all not slept since like 24 hours, but the moment we've reached here, we feel so much fresh, receiving all this love, and I just don't have words how to like explain this kind of love.
Sir, it is so amazing and so wholesome. This feels like a family, even though it's the first time. It doesn't feel like the first time. Thank you so much for having us, sir. Thank you so much. I'm from Sikkim.
I read the card from Meghalaya, sir. I feel so great, especially coming back to one of my northeast state and getting the love and support. There's something which give me immense pleasure. I mean, immense hope, and it makes me feel really great and amazing.
Hi, I'm Urmila Chauhan from Telangana. I can't express right now how am I feeling. It's really amazing. Thank you so much, Manipur.
Namaste, Manipur. So I am really elated to be here, and the culture, the beauty, the everything. I am loving it here. I love meeting the people. It's honestly a pleasure. I am representing Jharkhand.
Hello, I'm Gomati Reddy from Andhra Pradesh and Kurumchari, Manipur. It's so overwhelming to be here. It feels like home. Thank you so much for this wonderful hospitality.
Hi, I'm Aditi Sharma. I'm from Chhattisgarh, and I have never had this feeling because I've never seen such crazy pageant fans, and I just felt like crying because Strela, Miss Manipur, is my roommate, and it's just so wholesome, so heartfelt. Thank you so much, Manipur. Thank you.
Hello, I'm Shashwati Bala and I'm from West Bengal. Being here feels amazing. The way the people of Manipur have welcomed us so much with so much of warmth. I am like amazingly grateful for that. Thank you so much.
Kurum Jerry Manipur. I'm Victoria Fernandez, Femina Miss India Goa, and it's not even day one, but my heart is overwhelmed. Manipur already has my heart. Thank you so much.
Karamjuri Manipur. I'm Shreya from Delhi, and the amount of love we received just within 15 minutes of our entering your state is commendable. I'm really looking forward to the 8 days we are going to spend in your state, and thank you so much for opening your heart to us. Thank you.
Hi, so we just arrived and the people here are so warm, it makes my heart fuller. And I'm very excited what the next week has in store for us.
Kurumchari, Manipur, Sat Sri Akal. My name is Shaina Chaudhary. I'm representing Punjab. And this was so overwhelming. I'm very excited for the finale. Thank you, Manipur, for such a welcome.
Hello, we all have been super excited to be coming to Manipur forever. We have been asking Strela so many questions and finally we are here. Thank you for such a grand welcome. Thank you.
I'm very excited. I'm Karunya from Tamil Nadu, and the welcome here is so amazing. It felt so, great, and it's heart full of thankful for all the Manipur people over here. Thank you.
Your name, please. Come in.
I'm Navanita Bhattacharjee from Tripura, and it was just amazing and I got so emotional. It's just amazing. I can feel the love that you guys, all of you are showing. So it just feels amazing.
I am Miss Sana Punya, Femina Miss India, Arunachal Pradesh. And this is my first time in Manipur. I'm so happy looking over the crowd. It makes us very emotional. So thank you, Manipur, for welcoming us in such a lovely way. Thank you so much.
Hi, my name is Anushka Lekharu, your Femina Miss India, Assam. And Kurumchari, Manipur, because I'm blessed to be in the jewel land of Manipur today. Thank you so much for this hearty welcome. It's really emotional and I truly am blessed to be here and I cannot wait to explore the different parts and the lovely people as well. So thank you so much.
Kurumchari, Manipur. I am Ajoy Keo, Femina Miss India, Nagaland 2023. Thank you so much, Manipur, for the warm welcome and very emotional and very exciting. I'm looking forward to have a very good time in Manipur.
Hi everyone, I'm Tanushree, Miss India Bihar 2023. I felt so emotional when I entered. Like, you have showered us with so much love. Thank you, Manipur.
Hi, I'm Mehermeet Kaur, Femina Miss India, Haryana 2023. And it's so good to be here. I was overwhelmed by the love and support we are getting here. And I'm looking forward to the next days.
Hello, I am Christina Biju, Femina Miss India Kerala 2023. So this is my second time in Manipur as my father serves in Assam Rifles. So he's a part of Northeast, so I am always in the Northeast. So I was super excited to be here. Now I'm overwhelmed with all the love you guys have given me.
Hi everyone, my name is Amisha Basira representing Uttarakhand, and I have no words. First of all, Everyone here is lovely, and you guys have shown so much love and support to every one of us, and I'm just overwhelmed. So thank you so much, Manipur. I can't wait to look forward to most of the days here.
Hello, sir. I am Pratika Saxena and I am representing Madhya Pradesh. It was a lovely feeling when we entered because everyone welcomed us with so much warmth and it was so much love there that I started crying. And when we saw Strella, it was lovely. Thank you for greeting us in such a nice way. Thank you so much.
I just want to thank the people of Manipur for such an incredibly warm welcome. I think it feels so real now, and we could feel the love as we walked in. I'm Megan from Karnataka, and this feels so amazing to be here. And thank you so much for your love. Thank you.